Hello, super scientists. My name is Sarah, and today I'm going to teach you how to make slime. So first off, you're going to need some ingredients. So you're going to need a 1/4 cup of water, a 1/4 cup of craft white glue, a 1/4 cup of liquid starch, and then some optional things that you can put in your slime. You can put in some food coloring to give it a nice color, or you could put in some beads or glitter. I personally chose to get these slime balls from Target to put in my slime just to make it a little bit more fun. So go ahead, take a second, gather your ingredients, and then we'll move on and I'll tell you how to make it. All right, now you're gonna want to get a bowl and a spoon, and you're gonna pour in your water, and you're going to pour in your white craft glue. And then you're gonna mix them both together until they're pretty evenly mixed. And now at this time, if you want to add any colors or add anything into your slime, you're gonna wanna do that now. So if you're gonna use food coloring, I'd put in about kind of 6 drops to get a good color. And you're also gonna wanna put in your decorations that you have. I got these slime balls that I'm gonna put into mine. So right now your slime creation should look kinda like this. It's still not quite slimy yet. It's still pretty liquidy, but we still have another ingredient that we're going to add. All right, so now we're gonna add in our liquid starch. So you're gonna pour that into your bowl, and then you're gonna start stirring again. And when you start stirring, you're gonna start noticing it's gonna be a little less liquidy. And as you keep stirring and stirring, it'll start to get a little bit more like that slime texture we know about. And then once it gets solid enough, you're gonna wanna start to take it out and kind of play with it a little bit with your hands. And then you'll notice it start to kind of firm and start to be more a little like slime. So I have been playing with my slime for a couple minutes now, and it's got that nice, fun, slimy texture. So now we're gonna kind of think about the science behind this experiment. So why don't you go ahead and pause the video and talk with your parent or a sibling and wonder why, when we mix these 3 liquids together, why does it end up like this? So go ahead, take a couple minutes and come up with your hypothesis or educated guess. So the glue that we put into the slime is a liquid polymer. So this means that there's little tiny molecules in the glue that are in strands like a chain. So there's little strands of chains all over in the glue. And then when you add the liquid starch, the strands of glue all hold together into one long chain. So that's why it ends up going from a liquid to this slimy, manipulative solid. So thank you for participating in the experiment. Make sure you store your slime in a Ziploc bag so it doesn't dry out. So one other thing that you can try to do with this experiment is try to make the slime with different glues. See, does it make it more slimy, less slimy? Why don't you go ahead and try that and see how it works.